So ni gyda Daniel a Iwan. Ond yn gyntaf, dwi'n mynd i introducio ti i'r judges. Math! A Cynadol! Yn gyntaf ar y sioe, mae Iwan.
A hwbat, sy'n it blad, sy'n it? Get it. Okay, enw fi yw Iwan.
Wel, enw fi yw Iwan, of course.
A beth yw dy oedran di? Dwy eto sôn. Dau.
Girls be looking like Debbie Fly. I been to the beat, walking down the street and my new freak, yeah. This is how I roll, animal print pants out control. Trap wood with the big ass bra, and like Bruce Lee, I got the clout, yeah. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out, and then I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Everybody stops and staring at me. I got that shit in my pants, and I ain't afraid to show it. I'm sexy and I know it.
Yeah, byddai'n Iwan nawr i'r comments.
Nawr, wel, ni ddim yn gallu gweud ti be os ti trwy dyn ni ddim, tan mae deinion dod fyny, so nech wneud siŵr. Ond, ni yn gweud, o ti ddim yn dda iawn. A'i... Bydda. Un siŵr peth, ti'n sexy.
My man.
Ond ni jyst yn mynd i gweud yr opposite.
My woman. Wow! Woo! Roedd hynna'n Iwan. Nawr i Daniel.
Okay, Daniel, hey, Daniel.
Ie, be?
Beth yw enw ti?
Daniel.
Okay, a beth yw enw ti hefyd?
Fi naw.
Okay, beth, what you're doing in here?
Dwi'n mynd i canu car.
Be?
Ydw i'n mynd i canu car!
Come on. Eight, let you go.
I remember years ago, someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did, and you were strong and I was not. My illusion, my mistake. I was careless, I forgot I did. And now, when all is done, there is nothing to say. You have gone so effortlessly. You have won, you can go ahead, tell them all I know now. Shout it from the rooftops, write it on the skyline. All we had is
Icing on the head. Lovely.
Wel, beth gan fi progressive ddim yn dda?
Dim yn da.
Ddim yn actually kind of gay. Ond ti'n fawr actio gwych a dawnsio gwych. A t-shirt o dan y t-shirt yna gwych. Falle fi ti trwyddo.
Diolch Cenadog! Disyn ar Romi.
Ond nawr, dyma... Sorry, fi angen cyrraedd lan i clip arall.
Right, dyma ni, please, offset, diolch. Great, dyma ni, ond nawr ni'n cael...
Seriously guys, kind of man of it, okay?
Right. Dwi'n cael cyd o'r votes yn y pamphlet yma. Nawr, y pamphlet... Right, pamphlet air, fel chi'n gallu gweld. Right, mae'r pobl sydd wedi bod yn votio am fel 10,000 o seconds. It's a deadline! Dum dum dum! Nawr, mae'n mynd lawr i'r judges, er chi'n gallu decido. Right, sut ydych chi'n meddwl am hyn?
Mae'n so pressuring.
Pressure! Gael gyd o'r adjectives ti am beth sy'n digwydd. Why? Clive, you know Clive, you know. Clive, why are we even living?
Okay,
Ond cyn dwi'n mynd i dweud,
come on man.
byddwn ni'n ennill 007. Oh God, look at that for being there.
Spray. No, please.
Oh yeah.
Spray.
Oh yeah.
Go back.
Get back. Right, come on. Right, come over here. I'll give you the results. Who is the winner? Okay. Now, you can't vote. Right, I want you to stand up.
I'm gonna die though.
Stand up, others. Right. Our winner. Skipping jokes. The winner is...
deodorant now.
Ond fi'n cael second person winner. Fi'n cael ail person winning peth. Fi'n cael prize. A prize. Ew.
Can we take it to the... Alright.
No. Sorry, ew.
Say yes somewhere.
Dwi'n gwybod mae ddim yn dda as 007. I need a sport. Link Sport Blast.
I want it! No, I didn't say Louis!
No, 'cause it's mine.
No!